Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy. Welcome to part 5 of the fuel system setup on my LS Swap El Camino. In this video, I'm going to be running the lines up to the filter and from the inline filter up to the fuel pressure regulator. So I ordered this remote tank vent rollover valve from Amazon. It's a Holly product. You can also get it from Tanks Inc. Or a Tank Inc. version. Looks exactly the same. And this 1/4 inch to 5/16 adapter. So this is going to run from my vent line on my tank, which is 1/4 inch. And come into here, and then a 5/16 from here to here. And this is going to mount somewhere in line up near the filler neck based on this diagram here that they provide. It should be even with or higher than the filler neck. So I don't know exactly where I'm going to mount it. I think I might have some room inside the fuel door. So I'm thinking maybe I can mount it there. I'm going to have to find some type of bracket or make one where I can just slide this piece up through the bracket, slide down the O-ring, screw it on. Shouldn't be a problem. So let me see what I got. I found this bracket. I don't know if that's gonna work. That's the only thing I found in my junk bin that might work. It might be too close for this washer piece to work. No, it actually goes on there. I'm wondering maybe I can just use that with some self-tapping screws. Screw it in, hold it on, just like that. Right inside where the filler neck is. See if we can get that to work. So inside of the fuel door, where the filler neck is at, is where I was thinking I could mount this rollover valve or vent valve. But you can see right here where that lip is, I can't get this flush against, because this piece right here is just a thin like stamping between the body sheets, but where that lip is where the actual inside of the bed is at. And I don't want to drill through that, but I can drill through this bottom lip here. So I'm thinking I can get something to kind of pull it out a little bit and mount it just like that. I don't see any reason why that wouldn't work. And then I can just run the line straight over to the tank, follow the filler neck, zip tie it to the filler neck or something. But that's where I'm thinking about mounting this. So I found this bracket in my junk bin. I have no idea where it came from or what it was supposed to be for, but it wasn't being used, so I'm going to use it for my rollover and vent valve. And I'm just going to weld it right here, and that way I can just use 2 self-tapping screws on the inside of my fuel door where I had originally planned on mounting it. So hopefully this works out. Alright, here we have the finished product, and I'll take it up underneath the truck so you can see what what I was talking about, how I'm going to mount this now. So, should be fine. I mean, it's supposed to be vertical. It's at like maybe a 45, so should be fine. You can hear how much it takes for that check ball to actually block the line. So it's definitely not going to be mounted horizontal. It's going to be more like this, so should be fine. Alright, let me go ahead and mock this thing up and see how it's going to sit in there. Probably just like that. Oh yeah, I think that's going to work pretty good. It's about even with the filler neck there. Alright, those two black dots right there. They're my markers for drilling a hole. I'm going to see if I can get my drill up in here and drill out some holes. Hopefully I got enough room. Let's see. Let's see how far off that is. I should be able to get a screw in there. Yeah, that'll work. Alright, you can see I got one started. There it is. Alright, I'm done for tonight. I think I'm making enough noise, so hopefully I didn't wake up my kids or my wife. So it's on there now though, good and solid. I think that's a good spot for it. You can see I don't really have to zip tie the line to the filler neck because it's all suspended straight. You're not supposed to have any dips in it, so I think it's all right. I got my new hose separators in from eBay. These are from eBay store, Evil Energy. These are their 10 AN hose separator. So it looks much better, and really it's just gonna hold the 6 AN like that, so that should be fine. I like that better. I had some of this laying around, so I'm gonna see if I can slide it on the hose right here, maybe keep it up off of that metal and keep it from rubbing a hole or anything in the line. Let me go around the other side. Looks like it might have a better chance of sliding on from that side. Move, hose. Get out the way. Or something like that. Yes. Very, very nice. How do I want to route this? That is the question. What do y'all think? Something like this. So the bottom one's going to be the return, so it's not going to hook up into the filter. So just the top one will run like that. I don't really like it resting on things, but it's really the only way I can think. Once I ran it over top, when it's still resting on there, as long as it's not getting in the way of the travel of the control arm, I think it'll be okay. Hope you guys can see that. Wow. And that is how easy it will be to do push lock fittings for the rest of my life. Go back around to the tank and kind of take a look at how the doorman fits in here. You guys can see where the little cutout is, or the archway in the fender for the filler neck, and it sits pretty even right there in the archway. So it's when it's strapped up, it sits in there just right. G-Body Parts did get with the manufacturer of these strap insulators. They said they'd send me another one, but I've already got it in there. I used that glue and those staples, and it held good enough to get it mounted up in here, so not too worried about that. Alright, there you have it. Brand new tank, brand new tank strap insulators, and the fuel lines ran up to the front. Vent line ran up over by the filler neck, and it was kind of a pain in the ass to get in here, but you know, I had new tank strap insulators, and these are the insulators for a fuel injected vehicle, so they're a lot thicker than the carbureted tank strap insulators, and so I think that had to do kind of with some hard times getting these bolts in there, getting the right size bolts for that adjustment, but it's in there now. I'm happy with it. My feed -8 line and my return is -6. Got it going up over the frame. Comes down. Runs along the frame there. Comes down right here. I got one clamp right there. Come over into the filter. Clamp there. I got a clamp. Couldn't get the drill or anything up under there. The dang body floor pan is in the way. But got a clamp on the other side. There. Clamp there. And clamp right there. And then I rolled it up, excess hose, and just stuck it in through the where the AC delete plate's gonna go. Yeah. And that pretty much does it for now. Thanks for watching Cars and Joshy. If you like what you've been seeing, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.